Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Sketchbook app on iPad. We will begin by exploring the intuitive user interface, which is designed for artists. You will learn to create a new canvas, setting your preferred dimensions like a 2000 by 2000 pixel square. Then, we will cover selecting your first brush and choosing colors from the comprehensive palette, preparing you to start your artistic journey with confidence. Next, let's dive into the core drawing features that make Sketchbook so powerful. You can experiment with over 190 customizable brushes, from fine pencils to broad airbrushes, each offering unique textures. Mastering the undo and redo functions is crucial for refining your work with precision. Additionally, the symmetry tool allows you to create perfectly mirrored designs, saving you valuable time and effort. Now let's unlock the power of layers, a fundamental concept for any digital artist. Layers enable non-destructive editing, meaning you can modify elements without altering others. You will learn to add new layers, delete unnecessary ones, and reorder them to manage your composition. Furthermore, experimenting with various layer blending modes, like multiply or screen, can help you achieve stunning and unique visual effects in your artwork. Finally, after pouring your creativity onto the canvas, it is time to save and share your masterpiece. Sketchbook allows you to save your artwork in various formats, such as PSD for layered files or PNG for high-quality images. You can easily export your creations for printing or further editing in other applications. Plus, sharing your art directly to popular social media platforms is just a few taps away, showcasing your talent to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.